Today's topic is rounding off. So before we will study the rounding off, so we should learn about that what these decimal places and before decimal and after decimal places are called. So you can see to the left side of decimal, first place is ones, second place is tens, third place is hundred, next place will be thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And to the right side of decimal, first place is called first decimal place or tenth, second place hundredth or second decimal place, third one thousandth, th will come at last. For fourth place 10,000th place or fourth decimal place. So we will do some questions based on these places. Now see some questions based on rounding off to nearest whole. So here you can see 4.1, 17.8, 19, 9.51. So here the whole part is, and this whole part is 4, rest is decimal part. Here whole part is 17, rest is decimal part. In this also whole part is 99, rest is decimal part. So but how to do it? This is the whole part. You will see the one place before the whole part. If one place before whole part is more than 5, one place before the whole part is more than 5, we will add 1 or equal to 5. If one place before the whole part is more than 5, equal to 5, we will add 1. Here it is less than 5, so we will not add anything. We will write directly 4 point, and after this place all places will become 0. Here you can see whole part is 17. We will see one place before. This place is 8, which is more than 5, so you will add 1 in this one. It will become 18. And after this, how many places are there? These places will become 0. Here this is whole part. Place before 99 is this place, first decimal, which is more than 5, sorry, which is equal to 5. So you will add 1 in this one, it will become 100. After this whole number, how many places are given? These all will become 0. So this is how to round off to nearest whole. Now few more questions. Rounding up to the nearest tens. Nearest tens means first decimal place. So here you can see after decimal first place is this. In this first place is this. In this first place is. So what we will do, we underline here first places. After this, we will see the place before first decimal. At place before first decimal is 8, which is more than 5. You will add here 1, 2.5. Rest of places will become 0. So it is answer is 2.5. Here this is our first decimal place. So place before this there is 5, which is equal to 5. So we'll add 1 here, 0.1, and after this all places will become 0. So your answer will be 0.1. Same way there, at first decimal place there is 0, and place before this there is 7, which is more than 5. You will add 1 in this, you will get 269.1, and rest of places will become 0. 269.1 or 269.1. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Now nearest 100 means second decimal place. So here what we will do, we will underline second decimal place. 1, 2, second decimal place. 1, 2, second decimal place. 1, 2, second decimal place. And then we will see the place before second decimal place. Here place before second decimal place is this. On this there is 3, which is less than 5. So we will not add anything. 0.48, and this place will become. We will not add anything here because the place before second decimal place there is 3, which is less than 5. We will add only when there is equal to 5 or more than 5. So answer will be 0.48. Here place before the second decimal there is 9, which is more than 5. You will add 1, it will become 23.25, and rest of place 0. So 23 0.25. In another one, place before second decimal place there is 8 which is greater than 5, so we'll write 0.010 or 0.01. These are the some questions based on rounding off.